What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, presenting to you the Self-Publishing Blueprint, your step-by-step guide to making your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing by Emeka Osai. Thanks to Emeka's help through his book and through his course online, I've been able to buy this new condo, big screen TV, some cool gadgets, even a luxury car outside. Largely thanks to his course, I've been able to make this happen. And I want to share something with you real quick. Just yesterday, on December 13th, check this out. These are a list of my actual books that I've published that have earned passive income online. If you can see that here, in just literally one day, I've earned over $300 online with no marketing spend, no maintenance, and no labor required whatsoever to maintain these books. Purely passive income. So if you want to make this happen, and you can definitely make it happen, check out again Emeka's course and his book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. Thanks. Catch you later.